Everyone tells you the same thing. They say there are plenty of fish in the sea. They say you will find someone just like her, or even better. But they're lying to you. Your question is, what if I never find someone like her again? And I am going to give you an honest answer. You will not. You are absolutely right. You will never ever find someone like her. That specific combination of voice, humor, flaws, and chemistry, that is all gone. And it is never coming back ever again. Think of her like a sunset. You can wait for tomorrow's sunset. It might be beautiful, it might be bright, but it will never paint the sky with the exact same color as the one you lost today. When you lose someone you truly loved, you are not just losing a person, you are losing a language. You are losing all the inside jokes that no one else understands. You are losing the silence that felt comfortable only with them. So if you are going out into the world thinking of a replacement, then stop. You are chasing a ghost. The most dangerous thing you can do right now is try to find someone like her. Because even if you found someone like her, someone who looks like her, talks like her, dresses like her, it would not work out. Why? Because you cannot replicate time. You cannot replicate all those struggles you both went through together. You are missing the memories as much as the person. And no one can give you those memories on the first date. So, yes, accept it. That chapter is closed. You will never find someone like her again, and you should not want to. Love is not about replication. Love is not about trying to cast a new actor to play an old role. Someone new will come along. The love will feel different. They will be different. But until you stop looking for the old one, you will never see the new one. She was unique. Let her be unique in the past. Let her go so you can have a future.